Good evening everybody, or afternoon, wherever you are. I have got yet more exciting things to share with you. Now I know that I seem to have started almost every midweek video with that exact same sentence for the last couple of weeks, but there just seems to be so much exciting stuff and offers and things happening. But I just thought, you know, if there's something really good happening, I have to share it. So, everybody knows that I really love supporting small businesses, and one of the businesses that I like to support the most is Snufflebean Yarn. Not only because she was originally the only place that I could find that stocked the Shapey Swirl, but also because her customer service has always been absolutely spot on. And so, when I got an email from her, well actually her newsletter from her this morning, that was offering a super discount, I asked whether it would be okay for me to share that with everybody that follows me and is subscribed to my channel, and she was totally up for that. And so, to celebrate all of her American customers and all of that, she is doing an Independence Day discount. But, well, not necessarily a discount, but basically she is offering free UK and free worldwide delivery on absolutely every single order that is over the value of 10 UK pounds. So that's only a very small amount, but you can get free delivery absolutely anywhere in the world. So that is just the most amazing offer that I had to share it with you. You know, I share yarns that I love from her all of the time, but obviously I read comments all the time that say I absolutely love it, but I just can't quite afford the postage, or, you know, comments like that. And so when this popped up, I thought I have to let you know about it. So yeah, there is a code in the description box that you will need to use to get the free shipping for worldwide. Like I say, that will be in the description box. Now this is it's live now, this code is working now, and it will finish on the 5th at 9 AM UK time. So you have got a decent amount of time to get this Independence Day offer. So whether you were thinking of treating yourselves to the amazing colour pack that I have here, or if you were wanting to try the boho spirit shades, you know, these beautiful yarns, you could get that. You can literally use it for anything. You could even get the super beautiful electric sunset hand-dyed yarn. I'm literally just showing you everything that I've got currently. Or you could go for the lovely hayfield, and this is the sundown colourway, and this is obviously the sundown blanket that there is a tutorial for. Or you could even, if you've still not decided, still not treated yourself to a whirl, then you could even get a whirl. But yeah, you can use the code to buy absolutely anything across the whole store, and as long as it is more than 10 UK pounds, you will get free worldwide postage. So it's just such a wonderful offer that obviously I just had to let you know about it. So the code is in the description box and the link to Snufflebean. It will finish at 9 AM on the 5th, that is UK time. And also her website, just remember it does show it, the order totals and things in UK pounds, but I will leave also a little link for anybody that wants it to an online currency converter, so you can just double check exactly what that is going to be in your own currency. But yeah, it doesn't matter what you have been desperate to try, now would be a really good time to buy it. If you've been worried about postage or anything, just check out all of the links and hopefully treat yourself to something that you may not have done had you not got the free postage offer. But that is all I wanted to tell you. Let me know if you do order something. Let me know in the comments what you've ordered. I really like to see what people tend to go for, so yeah, do let me know about that. But I will see you for a normal tutorial very soon. Bye for now.